In modern aviation, safety is everything. One of the most important systems that protects passengers and crew is the Traffic Collision Avoidance System, or TCAS. This technology has saved countless lives by preventing mid-air collisions. TCAS is an onboard computer system installed in aircraft. It constantly scans the skies, listening for signals from other airplanes. These signals come from a device called a transponder, which every commercial aircraft carries. Using this information, TCAS can track nearby aircraft, calculate their flight path, and predict if two planes are on a dangerous collision course. If TCAS detects a potential conflict, it issues warnings in 2 stages. The first is a traffic advisory, or TA. The system calls out traffic, alerting the pilots to look outside and prepare. The second, if needed, is a resolution advisory, or RA. This is more urgent. TCAS gives direct instructions such as climb, or descend. Both aircraft involved receive coordinated commands. One climbs while the other descends, keeping them safely apart. Before TCAS, pilots relied mainly on air traffic control and visual scanning. But with crowded skies and limited visibility, risks remained. TCAS adds an independent safety layer, working even if communication is missed or if aircraft are controlled by different ATC centers. While powerful, TCAS has its limits. It only works if the other aircraft has a functioning transponder. It does not account for terrain, weather, or obstacles, and it is not a replacement for air traffic control or pilot judgment. It is an extra safeguard. In summary, TCAS is a guardian in the skies. By detecting nearby aircraft, predicting collisions, and giving pilots clear instructions, it has made modern air travel far safer. The next time you fly, remember, beyond the pilots and air traffic controllers, there is also TCAS, silently watching, protecting, and keeping the skies safe.